Refugee camps might be the last places you'd expect to find social stability. Refugees are often confined to camps for decades, spending long, boring days in environments they cannot leave, a situation which could lead to violent insurrection. So what if you knew that refugee camps are actually some of the most socially stable organizations around? By studying a massive camp in Kenya, researchers discovered that stability comes mainly through two mechanisms: that of respected space and listening posts. Respected space is the idea that camp organizers and refugees distance themselves, rather than the more traditional corporate model of bridging. Refugees understand that only camp employees can provide external support and humanitarian aid, while camp workers understand that only refugees can contain insurrection, as well as camp infiltration by terrorists. Both sides understand that the other's contribution requires tolerance of each other's cultural norms. Members of the camp also attend listening posts or councils at which they can vent frustrations and be heard by camp employees. These councils create a collective release valve, easing tensions that may crop up around food or refugee living conditions. These mechanisms have allowed a population of over 250,000 refugees to coexist for decades with a camp administration of only 400, showing that social stability can be achieved in some of the most unlikely places.